Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! I'm happy to be back, guys. It's like over a year na nag-break ako in YouTubing, but yeah, I'm here. Maraming nangyari this past year, which is 2025 has been good to me. Ang daming blessings, and yung pinaka-precious one is having me pregnant. I got pregnant last year. I have a baby boy. Ayan, guys. Yan ang naging reason kung bakit ako nag-stop, or hindi naman nag-stop, nag-break. Had a break on doing videos, ganun, kasi I want to be a full-time mom. I want to enjoy my pregnancy, and I want to enjoy being with my son. Ayan, lalaki po siya. His name is James Ramon. Ayan. Yan yung naging reason kung bakit ako nag-break muna in YouTubing. But I'm back! I just want to share it with you kasi you've been part of my life since I started YouTubing, and I'm happy to tell you guys that I'm a mom. I'm a full-time mom. And of course, a wife. I'm very happy with my family. I'm very happy. Masaya lang ang aking buhay. Ayan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Nagngawa na ang aking baby. Ayan, nagdedede na siya. Ayun, guys. So, as a first time mom, medyo mahirap talaga sa akin mag-cope up, to get used to being a mom with a child, with the house, with my husband, being a full-time mother, a wife, and all. So, parang nag-a-adjust pa rin ako until now. Kaya, nag-stop talaga ako, nag-decision ako na mag-stop muna doing vlogs. Kasi, alam ko, vlogging hindi lang basta-basta ganun. So, medyo mahirap din siya, especially on editing and all. Probably, hindi ako makakapag video or vlog everyday like what I did last time, pero I'll do my best na mag-upload every time na may mga ganap and all. And I think karapatan nyo rin malaman kung ano ba nangyayari sa akin, kasi marami rin nagpo-post or nagme-message sa akin about ano nangyari, ba't ka nag-stop and all. But eto na. I'll just share it with you. Last year, after my last video, which is I think my dental surgery, yun yung naging last update ko sa inyo, which is naging successful naman, guys. Although yung teeth ko is hindi ko pa masyadong gamay. Ayun, sana naiintindihan niyo ako, and please bear with me about my speaking kasi hindi ko pa talaga siya masyadong gamay. But yun, it's been a successful surgery. Thank you sa mga doctors and assistants na sa akin, assist. Maraming salamat. They have been very good to me until the last procedure, kasi it's been a step-by-step process. Healing, what do you call it? Screening and all. Maraming nangyari. Kaya, ayun. And then, after my surgery, doon ko nalaman na preggy ako. I've been taking meds that time, antibiotic and all, and I think akala ko na makaka-apekto sa akin yon on my pregnancy, pero hindi naman. My OB assured me na hindi naman siya maka-apekto. And ayun, kasi hindi ko alam na buntis ako that time. Madami kong tinitake na medicine because of my surgery nga. And ayun, it was March 7 to be exact nung nalaman ko na pregnant ako, kasi hindi ako dinadatnan. Which is, hindi normal sa akin na hindi ako datnan after more than a month. So, nag-pregnancy test ako, and then yun, positive. My husband was very happy at that time, of course. And then, of course, my family, sinabi ko na din sa kanila. Ayun, it's been like probably how many months ko din bago ko i-post sa social media ko na buntis nga ako, because I don't want to I just want to enjoy my pregnancy life, you know. I just want to enjoy yung feeling na pregnant ka, ganun. Ayun lang. I just want to be private for how many months. Ayun. But, of course, I wanna share it din sa mga friends ko and all. Basta happy ako last year. I'm very, very happy and blessed. Actually, after my surgery, tumawag na sa akin yung in-applyan ko, and dapat magkaka-work na ako noon. First day of work na ako after my surgery. But when I found out na pregnant na ako, I decided na, and after my first checkup with my OB/GYN, I decided na, yun nga, i-stop muna, or hindi naman stop, hindi ko itinuloy yung work. Yan na, nagising na siya. Ayun, hindi ko tinuloy yung application ko. Bakit? Kasi high risk nga po yung pregnancy ko, and I just don't want to take a risk. Especially this is my first child. Gusto kong perfect lahat. Although hindi naman perfect, pero gusto kong maging healthy siya. Gusto kong bantayan yung pregnancy ko. Ayun. So, that time, hindi ko siya tinuloy. Good. That time, hindi ko siya tinuloy. And I'm very happy and lucky na meron akong husband na understanding, na very supportive, very responsible. So, from that day onwards, talagang sinuportahan niya ako. Not only financially, but of course, emotionally, physically, all lily. All lily? Lahat. I'm just happy and blessed with him. Ayun. I love you, babe. Ayun lang, yun naman ang aking ganap sa aking buhay. Until now, I'm jobless. Hindi pa ako nag-work. Pero, kapag dumalaki na si baby, I will apply na. Kasi, of course, I want to help my husband also. Although, hindi naman daw need. Pero, I wanna help him in terms of the bills. Kasi, ang laki talaga ng mga bills. Especially nung nanganak ako. Hindi biro, guys, mga anak. Plus yung dental ko pa, Diyos ko. Ang dental dito, hindi biro din. Napakalaki. Parang mas malaki pa dun sa, mas malaki pang binayaran namin kaysa dun sa, panganak. I guess. I'm targeting work from home lang. Para nandito lang din ako. And then, may magbabantay lang sa kanya while I'm working. Ayun. But for now, we're just enjoying our life together. Especially pag nasa work yung daddy niya. Kami lang talaga dito sa bahay. Nanonood na SpongeBob, Rugrats. Ayan siya. Naglalaro lang siya ng mga toys niya. Wala pa siya yung mga actual toys. Yung mga ganito lang, sabit-sabit. Kasi nasa learning stage pa lang din siya. Nagdi-discover. It's actually turning 6 months this March. Kaya 6 months na lang, 1 year na siya. And we're planning to do that in the Philippines. So, probably this year maka-visit, makapag-vacation sa Pilipinas. Kasi last year, hindi nga kami nakapag-vacation because of my pregnancy. And hopefully this year, makapunta doon sa kanyang birthday. I don't know. Hopefully. Ayun guys, yun lang naman yung ganap ko ngayon. Gusto ko lang kayong i-update. Ayan, umiiyak na si baby. Ayan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Hindi ako makapag-focus talaga because of him. I just want to focus on him lang. Ayan, so, yun lang guys. Kung may mga questions kayo, just let me know. You're free to comment down below. I will try to answer that on my next video. So, ayun guys. Thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat. Say bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Ayun na guys. So, until my next video. Bye!